Alright guys, so today we're gonna do some scripting. So for example, you have your player object here, and you have all your movement. You might not want all this code inside of the player object because what I've learned over the months and years of programming with GameMaker is that you want to move as much code off of the objects that you have because it's just easier to manage. So basically we're gonna make a script, player movement, and you can just copy and paste all of this over there and then delete it here and then run the script. Now I don't even need to test run this because I know it works. It does exactly the same thing as it did when it was in here, but it's just easier to have managed. We can do the same thing with the shooting. I'm going to make a group. Player script. Like that. Now we can make another script. Name is SCR shooting. Copy and paste all of this. And do that. Paste it in like that. Boom, easy. That's the same thing, just easier to manage. But the direction you can move it out, but I just wanted to have it inside so I get what it's for. Image speed 0, yeah, you need to have that there as well. And what we can do now, we're gonna add the health system. SCR underscore health. Player health. So SCR underscore player health. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to make a global object or global variable, global hit points equals 100. When we start the game, when we go into this room game, the first thing it's going to do is it's going to run or make this global variable essentially, so we can use it in here. So, excuse me. If distance to object zombie, which is an enemy, less than 1, global dot hit points minus equal 1, like that, and that's the health system. So get easier than that. Now we've got our own little health system. So it doesn't do anything if we die, so we can't tell if it works or not. So and then we can have down here if global dot hit points equals 0, we want it to show a message. You died. Game restart. Wait, press OK to restart. And OK is essentially because show message. So message is basically a show message. Right, there we got it. Show message box is just a box with text and then there's an OK button under it. Just informs the player you're not. It will say you died. Press OK to restart, and we'll restart like that. And let's run it. Unexpected symbol in expression. Oh, these. Doesn't like it. Does it? It's okay to restart. Oh, that little thing there. let the zombie kill us. You died. Press OK to restart. Just like that. Works. Fine. Alright. And then we can make a script for enemy. Enemy. SCR underscore walk towards player. Actually, we can do a SCR underscore walk towards object. So I can show you the argument variables as well. So basically, argument. Wait, we can do it like this. If. No, it's the MP underscore potential step. Actually, I need to go back here and check it. Yeah, MP underscore potential step. Argument 0, argument 1, then argument 2, and argument 3. Actually, this can be false always. I forgot that one. And then I think that's it for the Sumbo. Yeah, then we can do the image angle. You know, get another script for that. As your look towards player. Look towards player. And then we can do SCR walk towards object. And here once our arguments that we had, and we had 3 arguments. So the first argument is the object that we want to follow is x obj underscore player dot x obj underscore player dot y, and then we want to do the y position, and then the object, I think, yeah, the object that we want to, or yeah, no, it's the speed of which we want to follow the object. So we can do 8 2 or 3. Look towards object. SCR underscore look towards object. And then we can have image angle, point direction, argument 1, argument 0, obj underscore player dot x and obj player dot y. So basically, if you're making a script, right, and you want to get input, or like you want to you have a script that is multitasking, doing a lot of things or doing different things that you want to be able to call throughout your program to make it easier, you can make yourself type things into these brackets here, and the first thing you type in is going to be argument 0 by default, and then argument 1, and all the way up to argument 9 and 10. Yeah, I think 10 is the limit actually. So let's try if this works. It's not really necessary to do this, but I just did it because it's easier. See, everything works exactly as usual, but it's just in scripts. So the reason why I have look towards object and not, or walk towards object, instead of walk towards the player and set it just by default to the players, they might want it to chase something else in the future. And you don't need to go back and recode everything and make more scripts. You can just type in what you want it to follow and the speed at which you want it to follow. So yeah, that's it for this episode of the GML top line shooter. See you in the next one. Bye.